Hi guys, this week I have crafts for us to make. This one is focusing on shakers. In class we have shaker eggs. And this one doesn't have any sound. It's just an Easter egg that is empty. And you can fill it with whatever you want to make the sound that you like. You can add beads. So I have these iron perler beads. And so if we put this into the egg, you get a higher pitched sound. Or if you have a jar with a lid, you can also do it that way. So this is already a shaker. And there's more things you can put in it. This is just beads. You can also use pasta. So I have these smaller pasta. And if I put it into this egg, it's going to sound like this. Beads, pasta. I used these swirly little pastas. I don't know if you can see it very well, but they're just fun looking. You don't see them in shaped eggs, but you know it's there. I also have a couple more options. So we can use popcorn kernels, not popped. And those, I'll put it back in this egg. So I'm taking the beads out and putting in popcorn. So I took those beads out and I put in the popcorn kernels. So after you put in the popcorn kernels, snap it on tight. I like this sound. This one's my favorite. You can also use dry beans, like I think it's pinto beans a lot of people use, but you can use dried beans. But we didn't have any in our house, so instead of going out to a store, this is being resourceful. And then my last one is rice. Just plain old rice. You just use a little scoop. Put the lid on. This is a very softer sound. There's a way to explore sounds is using different pieces. And though it's lighter, it's kind of nice. It almost sounds like a maraca. And then if you're really like sold, what you can do is you can take a piece of tape. I have duct tape, and put duct tape right around. So I'm going to have this one with the rice. So put that tape on there, and it's almost there. Like, you could use it like this, but the spoons at the bottom, they move. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a small strip, and I'm just going to secure these together so they don't look like chopsticks almost. So what we're going to focus on is right here. We're going to put that tape right here. So we put that tape right there. You can kind of see the owl bodies. And you have a maraca. And then if you take all this tape off and you have that egg, you have an egg shaker. This is a fun craft. And the next one's going to be slightly more advanced of a shaker, because this one is involving a paper towel or a toilet paper tube. So I first used a toilet paper tube. Thought, well, maybe, you don't have one. You throw them out, you don't have one at the moment, you can use a paper towel tube. Just cut it down to a smaller size. So what it's going to do, instead of being round, you're going to fold one, and you're going to tape right there, and keep wrapping the tape. I'm using a washi tape. You can also use a duct tape, scotch tape, whatever kind of tape you'd like to use. And then this one is like this. This one's going to go the opposite way. So it's a unique shape of a shaker too. So I started one with the tape earlier. This tape kind of looks like a stained glass, which is my favorite kind of look. Out of my pack, I kind of really like this one. So you see, you're wrapping it, and then you're to the point where you can fill up your tube. See, I have 2 shakers filled with popcorn, so I'm going to go with something different. I'm going to go with the rice. So we're going to go with rice. You want to be nice and careful so you don't get rice everywhere like I just did. You just got to make sure you clean up afterwards if it falls. You might want to ask for help at this point to be filling it. You want to fill it, I'm going to say halfway. That's what I'm going to do. So have it nice halfway, and then I'm going to keep wrapping this tape. Keep wrapping the tape, and make sure you pinch the top so you're ready for when you get to the top that you can. You can close it right up. And you gotta use your scissors. Mine are golden sparkly. Cut the tape real nice. Bend the corners. This shape is unique. It's kind of fun. I'm actually gonna add one more little piece of tape so it stays closed. Mine is open just a little bit. An easy way to fix it. You put just a little bit more tape. We already used quite a bit of tape going around and around and around. A little bit's not going to hurt anybody. So I'm going to grab my piece of tape. For the finishing one, we're going to go across. Keep it down. Pinch it down. And then just fold it over. Oh, nice little Christmas present. And there you got a little shaker. This again you can fill with all kinds of things. I wouldn't recommend the pasta for this one just because unless you have really small pasta, mine would take up a lot of space. So now you have a unique shaker that's a little bit different shape. And you can do your own patterns. You can use marker, write your name, write flowers. Nice little shaker. You have an egg shaker, like we do have at class. So you have shaker style. With either one. It's loud. You have maracas. So all kinds of shakers. And the fun part about the plastic maracas, they do move a lot more than my maracas in class, because my maracas are wooden. These ones are plastic. They move all around. You can kind of see it, how it moves all around. And they're very fun, and I hope you had a lot of fun making them and get to make a lot of music with them.